decisions are to be taken by the member states themselves. The discussion is going on in a network of experts from the member states. They are responsible for healthcare, but also digitalization. So these experts are working on the application. Sometimes in the member states, the private sector is involved in supporting the implementation of these applications, but it depends on the member states specifically who is involved in the discussions. After that, it's down to the member states to take all the decisions for them, the technical decisions concerning the interoperability of these applications. Now, it's obviously a key issue, but it's a very technical one, so it's not as simple. These discussions are taking place on the basis of the documents shared in the network of member states, the guidelines, or rather the toolbox and the interoperability guidelines. I can't tell you more than that. The discussions are ongoing. David? What I don't understand is down to the member states to decide together. But each member state takes a decision then. Or is there a European body where the member states are all united to take a decision? You said there's the discussion, there's a recommendation from the Key Health Network to have a single gateway service. But apart from that recommendation, or according, it seems that there's a hindrance. The member states are introducing their apps, but those apps aren't interoperable with the apps of other member states. So what I don't understand is where is this decision going to be taken? In Brussels or at Rome, Paris, etc.? David, says Eric, the basic situation is that we are not developing the apps. Each member state is developing their own app. So it's down to the member states to ensure that the way the app is developed, it makes it interoperable and compatible with others. We provided all the information that we could to ensure that the development of these apps was done in an interoperable way. But ultimately, it's down to the app developers to ensure that this really is the case. We can't intervene in and get involved in the member states' apps and change the code to ensure interoperability, or to say to the member states, you can't use those apps. We can't do that. We just have a coordinating role. We said that those apps should be interoperable, and in order to achieve that interoperability, there are certain specific technical requirements, and we've specified those. So I think the philosophy of the system and the way things should work when it comes to developing the apps is clear from our perspective. Okay.